Hey guys, Alex Ryan here. Today's question is, how does Amazon FBA work? So maybe you're thinking of starting an Amazon business, maybe importing from China, and you're not too sure how the whole Amazon FBA works. Well, today's video we're going to be talking about just that. Let's get started. Alright guys, welcome back. So Amazon FBA is essentially a really good strategy if you're wanting to start a business where you can work from anywhere you want, travel anytime you want, fire the boss, not have a warehouse. If you want to go to Barbados or the Bahamas and drink pina coladas, then you could do that with an Amazon FBA business, provided that you have a great product and a great marketing strategy in place that is actually providing you with sales. So the thing you've got to consider with Amazon FBA is, well, basically how it works is an order comes through on Amazon. Instead of you typically, which was with eBay, you would have to go down to the post office, package it yourself, send it off, pay for shipping. Well, Amazon does all that for you, and they just give you a big bill at the end of the month for storing your product as well as shipping it out. So the advantage of Amazon FBA is, like I said, you can travel anytime you want, be anywhere you want, run your business from anywhere you like, as long as you have those products in the warehouse, or in the Amazon FBA warehouse. All right. There are costs to this. Be aware of that. Some people don't factor those costs in, but the advantages of paying, the 25% or the few extra dollars for the product is worth it. Okay, depending on how you obviously want to run your business, it is worth it. So definitely check it out, guys. If you're unsure about Amazon FBA, definitely check it out. There's more information on my website. There's more information on my other videos as well. If you have questions, feel free to connect with me as well. Have an awesome day, guys. See you later. Alex Ryan here.